Good day, everyone. My name is Jaden Ralph Pinoza Montes Claros, and I am a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, second-year student here at MSU Naawan. And we are here to interview some students about how do lack of facilities affect their studies or learning, and what are the challenges that they have encountered here at MSU Naawan. But first, let's take a look at MSU Naawan.
At MSU Naawan, unfinished buildings stand as the silent witnesses to a vision yet to be realized. They are more than just structures. They are reminders of the challenges faced by the students every day. But what lies beyond these walls? A series of struggles that affect the very core of student life and learning. And with limited classrooms, students are forced to make do with overcrowded, temporary spaces that hinder effective learning. It's time to move past these struggles. Together, we can turn this vision into reality, ensuring a better environment for the students of MSU Naawan.
Good afternoon. My name is Althea Sophia Bianco Tumapok San Miguel, and I am from English 2A, and I am here to interview a fellow student of MSU Naawan. So, good afternoon. My question is, what are the challenges that you have encountered as a student in MSU Naawan?
So, as a first year student here in MSU Naawan, hala! Charot. So, ang ako yung na-encountered kanang as a first year college dito sa MSU is kanang bitaw sa CR. Kanang yellowish kayo ang water sa CR, tas dili pag ang uban toilet bitaw ka dili siya mo flush, and also sa guard kaning dili man siya nato maingon nga kana bitaw kuan kanang strict kayo sa tanan bitaw ang guard. Gabuhaton man nila ang ilang trabaho, pero naman kay posibilidad nga makaingon gid kag unfair kay ang uban student kay makasulod nga nakasuot sila ginana, tapos ikaw kay di ka kasulod bitay na. So marag bias na. Like, I don't want to say that.
So, thank you so much. So, that will be all for me. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Francis Angel M. Dayata from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, second-year student. And I am here to interview a fellow student of MSU Naawan. So your question is, how does the lack of facilities affect your learning?
Actually, maglisod gud mi og focus sa mo academics, lalong-lalo na kay kulang amo ang rooms nya gina kuan man nila sa faculties. So karon maglisod gyud mig focus kay daghan kanang mga workers bitaw kanang mga noisy, mga uneasy siyang makuan, tapos every time nga mag-discuss among teacher dili may makatungog tarong. So okay, more na to.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Donwen Stephen A. Flores from College of Education Social Sciences, second year English major, and I'm here at MSU Naawan to interview our fellow students. So your question is, what are the challenges you've encountered at the MSU Naawan?
Okay, so my name is Jervy J. Rosario from College of Marine and Allied Sciences and major in Information Technology. So as a student, first and foremost sa ako ang karon lang nga year is kanang sa portal bitaw. So mo siya problema sa portal. So katong during the enrollment nga days is kanang galisod mig pangita og contact sa mga instructors kay kanang wala bitaw may kabalo kung asa makita ilang rooms or asa makita ang mga faculty bitaw, and wala may contact kung kinsa nga mo ang room. So natay time nga nakasab-an mi sa isa ka instructor kay ngano daw wala na mo siya gipangita. So na pangita nga wala may kabalo kung kinsa mo ang instructor kay wala portal, di ba? So mo na siya isa sa challenges nga ako ang na-encounter during sa second year college. And ang second kay kuan kanang lack of kuan bitaw mga rooms bitaw sa Naawan kay naapektahan bitaw ang mga learning ability sa mga estudyante. Kay if kuan magod na mga sa tawo kanina yung mga temptation bitaw kung i-online kay naay possibility nga ang mga student is dili maminaw, so apil na pug ana like makatulog. So and also napoy uban instructor man gud nga dili lang magtudlo but maghatag lang og lesson or PPT nga mag-read. So nahulog nga student review lang gyapon. So mo na siya ang mga encounter so far nga na is problems nga ako na encounter nako as a student here in Awan. So that's all, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Carla K. Lapuz, a second-year student from the College of Education and Social Sciences, major in English. So today I am here with a first-year student, and I'm gonna ask him about the challenges that he encountered here as a student at MSU Naawan.
Na-encounter na ko nga challenges sa first year student kay kanang nayuban teachers nga kanang mamali bitay lang announcement or pinakalit rin lang announcement, tas kanang uban nga taglagyo kay lagyo kay mga balay na di biya diretso kanang ang mga estudyante kay nay masakyan kay usay kay walay wasalay kwarta pang pampliti, tas kanang murag wala bitay dili bitaw masala ng teacher kung mamali siya announce sayang mga pabuhaton sa mga kay dili man siya magproblema kung walay like kanang di bitaw magmatter ang ang side sa estudyante iara magmatter kanang magdali-dali lang gyud mi dari kay para lang sa grado mga mo to mga na-encounter na mga challenges.
Okay, thank you so much. Dili mo na i-reveal lang nila. Thank you so much for answering our question.
And that's a wrap. This is once again Jaden of Nyozo Mutisclara saying, have a holly jolly Christmas.
Gana.
And that's a wrap. This is once again, this is Jaden lang ngayon, student. Ha? Gira? Pwede na kung yapin. Pisi ni oy.
Go.
One. Ay mo na ako.
Pwede na,
Sunod na po ko.
dili na po ka.
Dili na po ko agi. To interview some students about how do lack of facilities
Affect.
and we are here to interview some students about how do lack of facilities affect their studies or learning. And ito,
What are the challenges?
and what are the challenges that they
What are the challenges they have encountered?
Okay. And what are the challenges that they have encountered here at MSU Naawan?